Okay, today is Wednesday, July 25th. We're heading to Fire Hall football practice. And as you notice, it is raining. I don't know if they're gonna cancel practice today. We just got to wait and see. My 5U should be heading to the field in about 6 o'clock, 6:30. In the meantime, Donovan, Evan's chilling in the back with his helmet on like he already ready to go. Maybe he's gonna protect his head from the rain, who knows. They have practice right around 6. It's a rainy day in sunny Florida, Fort Pierce, Florida, that is. This is Edwards Road. As you see, traffic is steady moving. So we're gonna see.
I'm making a video.
This video should be posted on YouTube sometime
No.
today or tonight.
No. I have trouble.
Over and out.
Oh. I don't like this so much. So hard. That's so hard. Even that was